Okay, here we are again. Welcome back to this training. Today we are going to be creating a sketch video. I think I have shown us a sample before. So here I said we should download an application called Benime. It is down there, you can see it. I'm moving it around. Let me drop it here. So I'll open the app. Open it. Okay, here I am. That was the last project I made. It's showing me the last project of the called trial. So I want to now create something. Look at the addition sign down there, plus I'm clicking on it right now. It says I should create a movie, but before then I should type the name of the movie. So let's give it a name. Classwork. We are doing this classwork together. Say choose canvas size. YouTube that is there is okay. 1080p. So I'm going straight to create movie. That's what I'm clicking now. And here I am. That's the blank page as usual. So we are creating. So let's say what's my script self? Anything that comes to my mind now. What should I say? If you want to type, you've seen T there, the icons there. Sorry. You click on the T, you type what you want. Hello. You click on insert. That's inserted. You can edit it, move it around the page, choose page font style. You can see this capital A, small a. I click on it, font style is activated, and I'm looking for a beautiful the one that's just choose anyone there. So let me just choose Patrick. That's it. The color you can also change the color. Say red. Now while the next one there is the size. So is this the size? Yeah. Let's see. You can see the handle is getting smaller. Then let me increase it. Getting big. Then we have centralized, left align, right align, and all that things. Just touch them and see. You see duplicate, delete down there. And this one that looks like Thunderbolts is animation. Asking you how should that text behave when coming in. You know, it's a video we're creating. How should it animate? You choose whichever. We have enough of them. Wow, so much. I have numerous ones of them. Sorry. So just click on whichever one. Let me say bounce in. Let's say bounce in down. Bounce in. It's no wobble. And I also want to increase this text. So after editing the text, I do okay. I think I'll be able to. Okay. That's it for hello. So that's text. The first let's check stickers. When I click on stickers, there'll be something that will come with that hello. Let me choose whichever one. Pick your own. These are animations copyright. I can choose recent up there, shapes, business shape. Click whichever one and see what comes out. That's the recent one I used. Let's click on shapes. You can see business. You can see all these ones they are animated. Let's choose one for example. Okay, that's that one. Increase the size. Let's see. Hello. Okay, you walk around with them. You bring in stickers. So you can also add another page. Maybe you're done with seeing whatever you want in this page. You can always see this add button by the side. Please look down here and then see this addition sign by your right. I'm clicking on it and it has added another page. You've seen this page 2. This other one 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So now I can work on whichever one I click is one I'm working on right now. You can also change the background of a page. So let's change this second page background. See BG there. When you have sticker text, the next thing there is BG background. I click on it. They say select color or select image. When I say select image, that means I want to go to my gallery. You can choose any of your images. So right now we want to try select color. So that's why I'm clicking. Choose any color of your choice. If you are not here, you can go to custom here down here and choose. So let me say I'll go for this one. Say okay, fine. So I can bring in a sticker too. Go, we've done this already. Check for whichever one is speaking, saying what you want. So all these stickers are to help explain what you are saying, explain your video. Make the video look interesting. So let's just go for anyone. All these ones are very much fine. Let's select this business. So okay, I'll increase it. We see it well. Okay, since this one has something to do with two hands checking, I will have to fill the whole place with the stick. So let me increase it so that I will not see where the hand is coming from. I need to add more. Okay, it has filled. So this one is something like some people signing a contract. Signing a contract. It's nice. So I'll go ahead to add my text. Something like this should be thanks for partnering with us, or thanks for your cooperation, thanks for your patronage. Let me write something thanks for partner, thanks for your patronage. Insert. Get up here. I think black is okay. Can change the font style if you don't like that one. Yeah, others. Okay, this one is really big. Let me reduce the size and centralize it too. Or rather increase it. Okay, nice. So now that we have our two pages, you've seen this. After background, we have what we call hand there. Since it's 2 pages and all that. So this hand is like you're having a hand that will be, don't forget it's a sketch video. A hand that will be sketching the video for you. So I click on the hand. You can select any type of hand. I just select any one of them. And that's it. I'm going to be asking that hand to help us sketch our video as you selected it. Okay, let's preview our work. We have 2 pages of work. Let's preview it. See this? Go up here where you have classwork, the name of this project. The next icon beside it is there beside it by the right is save. Then the one following save is play. So we're clicking on that play. Okay, this is how the work will look like. Hello, and then it will bring up this. And then the next page you open. Sign your contract here. Thanks for your patronage. It's like it's not coming out well. Where did this one? Okay, they already. Let me play it again and see. I'm playing that page alone. Let me see. And then okay. Now I get. So that is how it will go. You can play the first page by clicking on the page and click on that play button in between. Hello, this, that, and then second page will come up. Hello, thanks for your patronage. Wow. All right, I like this. So you can go ahead and export our work. No matter how many. So please just try something. Bring out as many slides, as many pages as possible that can help you explain your work. You can explain so many things in one page. Oh. Don't mind that I'm filling the whole page for just one thing. It's just because of this type of sticker we choose. Like, if it's something that you can just place by the side, it will be working there. You bring in another sticker and place another sticker by this side. Let's see. I bring in this guy. Place this guy over here. Let me increase him. Okay. I'm bringing something else. So you can explain a lot of things in one page before you get to go to the next one. So it must not be. So you've seen this delay, duration, pause is how that particular icon or how that particular sticker or text, whatever you brought in, should behave, should enter or go. The duration it should stay and all that. And you know what to do for those ones. So if you're going to choose any animation for anything, be it text or the sticker, that means the hand will not write it. That hand we selected will not be the one to write it. Since already said it should animate, it will animate and come out on its own. Okay. So what else? What else? Music. Music. You can bring in your music from your phone gallery or do voice over. You click on this voice over and speak as the video is going on. You explain the video. Okay. So when you're done with your work, you're satisfied with the design. So you come up here. You saw that place we said it's save. When you click on that save, you're saving your work here in the app. Let's click on it first. Do you want to save your movie project? Yes. I want to save it, please. Thank you. That's saved in there. But when you want to export it into your gallery so that you can share it to us on the WhatsApp or anywhere, you click at this one at the extreme. This video coverage icon and share icon. I click on it. It's now asking me the movie name. Let's maintain that classwork and then click on make movie down here. This save export mode use if you see green screen on export. We'll explain that some other time. So I'm leaving it unchecked and I'm clicking on make movie. So our movie is rendering. You can see rendering your movie. It's going. So after rendering, it will appear in your gallery. You just go play it. So we already saved it in, okay? It's already saved in your gallery. Say play movie now, you can play it or you share movie. But that's not why I'm here. So these saved ones, they're already there. When you go back at your home screen, you can see it. Anytime you can come there and edit if you want to edit and add something. Okay? I'm going back to the home screen. That's it. You've seen this saved work. These are the ones we saved. This was the one I saved before. This is the one we just did now. Alright, so just play around, please, and do something. I would like to see our work. Let my saliva not be a waste, please. Let's try to do something with ourselves and be able to render these services for others. Start doing something. Post them in your pages, on your social media. People will see it and will be like, can you do this for me? And you start making your money before you even get to to the lecture, because there'll be a time I'll teach us how to get clients. So let people start knowing you that you can do these things. Thank you. Bye for now.